So today we went to go look at a couple apartments, and some of them were pretty nice. Our price range is actually pretty low, under $550 is what we're looking at, and the hardest part is to find one that allows dogs. There's so many apartments available, but very few of them allow pets. So it's really limiting our options. But the two we saw today do allow dogs, and here's that video. So the first one we looked at was this one here, and it was about $420 a month. Super cheap, allowed pets. It was on the first floor, had one parking spot, and it was near Camp Courtney. So there wasn't too much around that area, but let's see what it looks like. So it has this side area too. Little outdoor thing. Living room. There's a kitchen. Bathroom. I don't know how to turn on the light, but big shower room that you can't see. Toilet. Well, that's it. So there is some sort of daycare right behind us. Might be kind of loud, but we went inside and we closed all the doors to see what we could hear, and it's actually really quiet. I don't know if we're gonna go for this one yet, but have to be honest, I'm actually really impressed with, I thought it was gonna be way worse. Like, this is actually pretty nice for how cheap it is. The fact that this place has been available for a couple months, and it's this nice, and it allows pets, and it's that cheap. I'm like, this is our first place we're looking at, but I kind of have, it kind of gives me some higher hopes of what we can probably find if we just wait a little bit. Like maybe get something that comes on the market right away. Because sometimes there's like 3 bedrooms for about this price too. We just need to find one that allows a pet. So the plan today was just to see that one place, but Kit called another place that was available, and he called back and said he could show us it today. So we'll get a good idea of what, this one's a little bit more, so we'll see how it is. The second one we're looking at here is very slightly smaller, just one tatami mat smaller, and it's also a 2 LDK, and it's on the second story, so we'll have to see how this one looks. It's the light. Oh.
So actually a lot nicer than the other.
Mm-hmm. It is a little smaller, but it's the brighter. I like these details too on that, and the door, and there's 2 air conditioners, and then there's this balcony. This one's definitely nicer.
I actually like this one. で、こんな感じのアパートだったんですけど、すごく暗くて、入った時もすごいなんか古い畳が見えました。あ、本当。テレビのお手が持ちました。
This one's actually really, I don't know if it's coming through, but it's actually really nice. It's still from the 90s, but you got a big shower room here. It's the toilet. So this is what I was thinking of setting up, moving it like this, and then we have a wall here we can use on this side, a wall here we could use on this side, a wall here we could use on this side. That was pretty much it for our adventure today. We ended up liking that second one a lot, and actually we scheduled an appointment to see it again tomorrow. So who knows? Maybe that'll be the one. Maybe we should wait. Maybe we shouldn't. I don't know. I think it was the fact that it was just super bright and really inviting. The only complaint I had was it was really small, only 2 rooms. We really would like that 3rd room, but good location, super bright. It had 2 air conditioners already. It had spot for 2 cars to park, so there was a lot of pluses about it. And the lady said it was in contract within a week, but the other people who were in the contract for this place actually decided to leave because a 3 LDK opened up that they were on a list for. So it went into contract really fast. Could that be us though, getting the 3 LDK? I don't know. We'll have to see, but we're gonna go see it tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. These are the apartments you could find in Okinawa as a resident for under 500 bucks that allow pet. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next video.